This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. The corn market finished the week on the defensive with a mostly favorable weather forecast keeping the pressure on prices. This week, we should start to get some analyst yield projections for the USDA's August report. It's going to be kind of interesting to see how optimistic they're going to be about the yields. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading unchanged as we kind of look for some additional direction in this market. Soybean oil was stronger on Friday as we saw increased demand for soybean oil and biofuels, and that strength was enough to pull soybeans to a higher close as well. On the weather front, mostly favorable weather is expected for the Midwest, although there are some concerns of possible dryness in the first half of August that were expressed by traders in the market on Friday. The conventional wisdom is that the crop condition report is going to be unchanged when this afternoon's report comes out. In the overnight trade, we're seeing additional follow-through strength from Friday's trade, with the spot futures trading 4 cents higher as I record this. The wheat market was mixed to end the week, with Chicago and Kansas City marginally higher and Minneapolis a touch lower, as traders kind of anticipate spring wheat harvest hitting high gear. In the overnight trade, we have all three complexes kind of on their heels, with Chicago and Kansas City each 6 cents lower, while Minneapolis is trading down a nickel. After the great performance on Thursday, cotton futures were unable to follow through to the upside, with the December futures closing down 52 points as they settle at 62.66. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures on the upswing once again, trading 25 points higher as I record this. Livestock futures were stronger straight across the board on Friday. October live cattle futures ended the session $1.12.5 higher, while September feeder cattle were $1.80 higher at the closing bell. Lean hog futures were stronger as well, with the October futures closing up $1.30. Class 3 milk futures also got back on the winning track, with the August futures finishing up 23 points, settling at 21.03. We're trading an additional 3 points higher in the overnight trade. Meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef was $1.46 higher, closing at $203.26, while select boxes were $1.61 lower as they settled at $189.89. Pork carcass cutout values were $2.26 lower as they ended the week at $65.31 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.